my coils are not forming like your own, what am I going to do? And I keep telling you guys in comment, it's not advisable to dye your hair before getting a Jheri coil or after getting a Jheri, because hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss JOVOU. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, according to the title, this is what to do after getting a Jheri coil. Okay, I'm just going to be giving you guys tips on what to do after getting a Jheri coil, because I've been getting this question a lot in the comment section. I have a video on that, how to maintain your Jheri coil after getting it done. If this is what you're interested in, then you must definitely keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video. Once you get a Jheri coil done, please do not style your Jheri coil immediately. Whether your Jheri coil is short or long, maybe your natural hair you've grown for 2 years, 1 year, and you're scared with Jheri coil suits me and all the rest, you're taking a big risk on your natural hair. And I'm like, Jheri coil fits everybody, it just depends on how you maintain your hair. Like you guys always say, Jheri coil fits me, it suits me, I look good in it. That is just the benefit of getting a Jheri coil. If you haven't seen the video where I was telling you guys this is why you need to do Jheri coil in 2022, the video is going to be linked up in the iCards, and it's also going to be in my description, so be sure to check it out after watching this video. Don't be in a hurry, alright? So once you get your Jheri coil done, don't style it immediately. You get your hair done today, then tomorrow you go make your hair, maybe braids or you fix something. No, just let your Jheri coil stay, okay, so your coils will form properly. The reason why some of you, your coils don't form properly is once you get your Jheri coil done today, while in the salon you tell them, please, I want to pack it, I want it to look like this, I want it to look like that. Then at the end of the day, you wake up tomorrow morning and your coils are not there. No matter the amount of coil activator you apply, it will not be there. I always update you on whatever I do concerning my hair. When I get my Jheri coil done, you see that I don't even do much. The highest thing I'll do is just to get this hair ribbon or hairband, and I'll just push my hair in. You don't see me packing, and I start packing after my hair is like a month or 3 weeks later. Okay, so don't be in a hurry to style your hair. Second thing you need to do once you get your Jheri coil done, some person tell me in the comment section that they wear shower cap ultra, probably after 2 days they keep on wearing their shower cap. Okay, I don't really know about that, but what I do once I get my Jheri coil done, I get a bonnet. I already have a bonnet, so if you don't have a bonnet, get a bonnet. So this is what I use. Sometimes it pulls out from my hair, but I always band my hair, like around my hair, and then I'll put this on. So this is the bonnet I use, this satin bonnet. I've been using it for a very long time. It's literally good to go. Okay, so you can see that it has actually expanded because of this hair. So probably I'll get another bonnet later on, but get a satin bonnet, hair bonnet. I don't know if you can use shower cap, but some persons say they use shower cap when they are going to bed, so it's your choice. But get a bonnet, get something you're going to wear when going to bed, so you can protect your hair, so your hair will not look scattered at the end of the day. Okay, third thing you need to do after getting a Jheri coil done, once you get a Jheri coil done, some persons keep asking me if there is need for them to apply hair growth oil or like all these hair proteins that will help their hair grow more. Yes, you can apply that on your hair. Nothing is stopping you from applying hair oil, castle oil, hair proteins, carrot oil, or any of that on your hair. Can still apply, but don't overdo it. Let's not be in the point that you go out and your hair is dripping oil, like it won't be nice. Just little, okay? Apply it in your scalp, not on the hair directly, your scalp, because that's where your hair grows. Okay, it comes from the roots. So make sure you massage the oil into your hair, like your scalp. Massage it properly, okay? Because you are carrying your coil, that doesn't mean you're not applying it on your hair. Me, I apply hair growth oil, castor oil, and there are some other hair growth oil that you can get in the supermarket. Just apply it to your hair. Some persons take capsule for hair growth, for their hair follicles, or any of that. So it all depends on you. Just do what works for you. Alright. The fourth thing you need to do after getting a Jheri coil, do not wash your hair too soon. Okay. Some persons will get the Jheri coil done today, and then that night you see them applying shampoo, using conditioner, everything on their hair. No, it will make your coils not to form anymore. So please try as much as possible to like stay for at least 1 week before washing your hair. Okay, so wash your hair after 72 hours, or if possible just be on the safe side, 1 week. After 1 week, then you can start doing your shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner. It's your choice. Okay, so don't wash your hair too soon. Just be patient with it, okay? So that the products that have been applied, the neutralizer, oil booster that have been applied on your hair will not just waste. So it will be there and to make the coils form, make it bounce. That's the reason why your coils are not forming. You gel coil your hair today, tomorrow you go and you like, I got shampoo, I got this, I apply your hair. That same day you start applying coil activator on your hair, your coils not form. So please just be patient. Wash your hair after 72 hours, or just be on the safe side 1 week. Whether coily perm or gel coil, your choice. The fifth thing, which is the last but not the least, please don't dye your hair after getting a gel coil. I've been seeing this question in the comment section. You guys are asking me, can I dye my hair before getting my gel coil, or can I dye my hair after getting my gel coil? I don't even know what to tell you again. I don't even understand. Why would you want to dye your hair? Like, you just get your coils now and then you apply dye on your hair. You're causing more damage to your hair. Please don't dye your hair after getting a gel coil, or before getting a gel coil. Don't dye your hair. It's not advisable, and I keep telling you guys in comment, it's not advisable to dye your hair before getting a gel coil or after getting a gel coil, because it can result more hair damage. You've already added chemical damage to your hair because of the relaxer, the neutralizer, the coil booster and everything. They are chemicals. Like, if you use chemicals to damage your hair and then you are going to use more chemicals to damage your hair, you will lose your hair. You will start experiencing hair loss, hair breakage and many other things. So please just be on the safe side. Don't dye your hair. It's not advisable. I almost did it. Like, when I got my gel coil done for the second time, I asked the lady, I wanted to get dark dye so my hair would be dark. She told me not to. She said if I do that, causing more damage to my hair, I might start losing my hair will be breaking, like it won't be nice, it won't be full, nothing. Another thing you guys need to know, when you gel coil your hair for the first time, or anytime you redo your gel coil, you notice that your hair color changes. As time goes on, your hair will start going back to the natural color. If your hair was brown, it will be dark for like some period of time, probably some weeks, and then later on go back to its natural form. Okay, so please don't dye your hair. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you, and I hope I answered some of your questions in this video, because these are questions that I've been getting every single time I come on YouTube, like just to go through the comments, or like I'm trying to respond to you guys comments, and you guys keep asking me the same question. I already have a video on my channel where I was talking about 8 ways to maintain your hair after getting your gel coil done. If you haven't seen the video, watch it right after this video. The video is going to be linked up in the iCards and also going to be in my description, so be sure to check it out. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.